Mukha ka na bang zombie sa tired and dark-looking under eyes?
Hi guys, kasama ko today si Alex, yung medtech natin from Makati. Pinapaiyak kasi siya nung jowa niya, kaya yung eye bags niya ang itim pa rin. Ang gagawin natin today, yung bago nating procedure, ang tawag Honey Regeran. Basically, paghahaluin natin yung PRP with Regeran, tapos inject natin sa under eyes ni Alexis. Now, para mag-brighten, mag-fresh, para hindi naman siya mukhang bagong iyak everyday. Gagawin natin siyang fresh na fresh. So, ito yung PRP, then ito yung Regeran, tapos paghahaluin natin siya. Lagyan natin yung PRP. Ayan. Yan, nagiging gold na siya. Maganda dito, makukuha natin yung benefits ng PRP, which is brightening, okay? Yung Regeran naman, skin repair, brightening din. So, dual effects. Tawag natin dyan, synergistic effect. Nakikita nyo na, nagiging golden na yung ating Regeran. Kaya Honey Regeran.
As you can see, medyo maitim and may konting lubog yung under eyes ni Alex. Perfect sa kanya itong Honey Regeran for the under eyes. So this procedure is very comfortable, no? This is not fillers, so it's safe. So nilalamanan ko now yung mga areas na gusto nating i-brighten and iangat. Yung combo ng Regeran and PRP is perfect for this. Immediately, we can appreciate, no? Medyo umangat na yung other side. Yung brightening yan, we will see the result in around 2 to 4 weeks. Yun lang guys, see you sa clinic.